about that full weather forecast. Josh Cozart in-house talking about what to expect for the rest of the week.
Well, Natasha, you are enjoying the bright blue sunny skies there and the very warm temperatures. But as we move forward over the next several days, expecting to see a bit of a cool down for us here across the Pacific Northwest. Of course, that all comes after the severe weather starts to wind down. Here's a current look at our satellite and radar. You'll notice a lot of that lightning activity hanging just over the Cascades and points eastward. We're going to kind of break this down for you because a lot is happening. Those yellow polygons that you see, that's where severe thunderstorm warnings are currently in effect. So we're talking about hail upwards of about an inch. Wind gusts coming out of these storms at about 60 miles per hour, and all of this is expected to last until about 5:30 unless the National Weather Service sees fit that these storms are still strong enough to have a cause for concern. We're going to go ahead and get kind of interactive here. This area that you see shaded in almost the maroon is also a flash flood warning. That's in effect all the way until 8 p.m. The reason for this is due to the lack of movement with these storms, kind of stalling out over the Cascades, and that's where flash flooding is a potential. And again, just to kind of pinpoint exactly where that location is, that is right here. That's where that flash flood warning is. But if you are in this area, you want to make sure that you seek shelter immediately. We also got a lot of lightning activity going on with this cluster of storms as it continues to track its way to the north. We're seeing 286 lightning strikes happening right now. So a lot of activity as all of this tracks its way to the northeast at about 20 miles per hour. So places like Gateway getting in on the brunt of this storm at about 5:31, and Antelope expected to get in at just at about 6 o'clock. And all of this comes as our air quality still remains on the good side right now as wildfire smoke continues to fill our skies here across the Pacific Northwest. That's a bit of a blurry live look as that storm closes in on the Dalles as our temperatures have now started to cool off out that direction, and our temperatures up and down the I-5 corridor today managing to get up into the mid-80s. But you'll notice the Dalles able to climb up to about 96, helping to bake all of that thunderstorm activity. And with those thunderstorms, we've got a marginal risk. So that is about a 1 out of 5 chance to see those strong to severe thunderstorms. Already picking up on that bullseye, and it only grows in size as we work our way into Saturday, stretching into the south central regions of Washington state. Again, large hail, damaging winds, upwards of 60-mile-per-hour gusts are a possibility. So use caution if you are planning on taking a trip up in elevation over the next day or two, as a ridge of high pressure is the culprit for the big warm-up that we've seen as of late. But eventually this trough, it will push its way back into the Pacific Northwest, helping to cool down our conditions. Here's a look at our 7-day forecast. Expecting to get back up into the 70s by the time we get into Sunday. It's going to be a nice day for us, but our next chance to see rain, at least here in the Portland metro area, is going to be Monday, and even at that, likely going to be on the drier side for us. And then we gradually start to warm things back up into the upper 70s by the time we get to Thursday, with plenty of sunshine. But if you want more information on that severe weather, head to KOIN.com/weather, and you can track the interactive radar feature right there at the tip of your finger. But don't go anywhere. KOIN 6 News at 5. We'll be back after this.